Well, I don't know when the camera stops again. Just annoying me now. It's so sad because the camera takes a really nice picture, but it's starting playing up now. Here we go. Bloody thing. Yeah. I've ordered some new sockets, Allen key sockets, and short and long, and some deep sockets, all metric, because obviously I've got all that at work, but if I bring it here and I need it at work, I'm screwed. And I love doing this and everything else. My work is what pays my bills. Pays my mortgage and everything else. Right, I'll just drop that down for now. I want to look here, I want to check to make sure the cable's set right once I get all the carburetors put back on and everything else. Right, what I'm going to need to do now is, you might have noticed some of the studs come out when I took the head bolts off. So I'm just going to drop them out now. So yeah, right. That's a shame. Two good pistons. I'm going to whack them on eBay. Second hand. Someone might want them, like I did. I couldn't find none anywhere. There you go. Right, studs. As you can see, studs come off with the nuts, with the bolts. Oh no, they are nuts, tubular nuts. Right. So, there we go. Right, that's me stud extractor. that's not good. So I'll run the tap in there. Yeah. Two, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey.